What if I told you that even an innocent person can end up in serious trouble just by talking to the police? Sounds unbelievable, right? Today, we're breaking down police interrogations, their purpose, their tactics, and how you can protect yourself. You don't have to be a criminal to need this information, because anyone can find themselves in the wrong place at the wrong time. Let's get started. First, why do the police interrogate people? Interrogations help law enforcement gather evidence they may not have yet, confirm details of a crime or timeline, and obtain confessions, which can be the strongest form of evidence in court. But here's the catch. They might already suspect you and are looking for inconsistencies to use against you. For example, let's say there was a robbery at a gas station and you happen to be in the area. If you say, "I don't remember exactly where I was," that can make you seem suspicious, even if you did nothing wrong. So, how can you tell if the police don't actually have enough to charge you? Here are some signs. They keep asking open-ended questions rather than presenting solid facts. They try to make you fill in gaps rather than confirming details. They bluff, saying they have evidence when they really don't. Let's say they tell you they have surveillance footage of you committing a crime, but in reality they don't. They're hoping you'll panic and say something that implicates you. Now, let's talk about your rights. If you're being questioned by the police, remember, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you ask for a lawyer, they must stop questioning you. Police must read you your Miranda rights before a custodial interrogation. If they don't, your statements may be inadmissible in court. If you ever find yourself in this situation, simply say, "I want to remain silent and speak to a lawyer." This isn't about guilt, it's about protecting yourself. Police use various tactics to get people to talk. Some common ones include good cop, bad cop. One officer acts aggressive while the other is sympathetic to make you trust them, or lying about evidence. They might say they have fingerprints, DNA, or witness statements when they don't, and minimization techniques. They downplay the crime to make a confession seem harmless. The moment you admit anything, they have what they need. Even if you're innocent, what you say in an interrogation can be twisted against you. Police may take statements out of context, use inconsistencies to argue you're lying, get you to admit small details that connect you to the crime. Police interrogations can be tricky. If you ever find yourself in this situation, stay calm, stay silent, and ask for a lawyer. Remember, the goal of the police during an interrogation is to gather information that can be used to build a case. They are trained to use psychological tactics to get you to talk, and they may not always be straightforward about their intentions. By understanding your rights and the tactics they use, you can better protect yourself from inadvertently incriminating yourself. Always be cautious and aware of the potential consequences of speaking without legal counsel present.